Welcome, and thank you for attending. My name is Rob Alvarado, and I am the lead architect for Li9 Technology Solutions. I would like to introduce Li9 and our partnership with Red Hat and the exciting opportunities with Red Hat's OpenShift container platform. Working with multiple clients, Li9 is providing solutions that are focused on cloud and open source enterprise solutions. Leveraging our partnerships with major providers, we specialize in driving efficiencies and reliability within these enterprise solutions. As you can see, Li9 is focused on ensuring its engineers have industry-recognized certifications and the proper accreditations to ensure confidence with our clients, both current and new. In March of 2017, Li9 was selected as a participant in Red Hat's Application Platform Partner Program. With a focus on the container platform, Li9 has received focused training, access to materials, and support teams to help customers with OpenShift implementations and management. You've heard a lot about digital transformation from Red Hat and likely from other vendors, but how do you get there? We believe this requires a transformation in applications, process, and infrastructure. We believe this can be enabled by containers and container platforms like OpenShift. So how do you get there, and how can we help? IT organizations must evolve to meet organizational demands. This is driving many of the conversations we are having with our customers about DevOps and more. Many of these customers are looking to shift their development and deployment processes from traditional waterfall development and agile methods to DevOps, and they want to learn how to enable that. We are also seeing customers asking about microservices as they switch their application architectures away from existing monolithic and N-tier applications to highly distributed, componentized, services-based apps. On the infrastructure side, we are seeing a lot of interest in Linux containers, driven by the popularity of Docker, as an alternative to existing virtualization technologies. Containers can be a key enabler of DevOps and microservices. Finally, we are seeing customers increasingly wanting to deploy their applications across a hybrid cloud environment. OpenShift helps you accelerate application delivery. It provides a platform for developers that enables self-service, support for multiple languages, auto-scaling, and collaboration. OpenShift provides a platform that operations teams can rely on because it's open, enterprise-grade, secure, standards-based, and web scalable. Enterprise-grade, hardened open source solutions that are supported. To assist in building client relationships, Li9 has invested in developing a customizable proof-of-concept demo environment. This demo environment can be used to trial, develop, and compare the Red Hat enterprise solutions such as RHEL, Rev, OpenShift, and CloudForms. This environment is real-time with current Red Hat software versions and is integrated with AWS for cloud deployments. Let's take a look at the Li9 OpenShift demonstration environment. Today we're going to demo two types of deployments, one from an image and one from an actual catalog. First of all, we're going to establish our new project, and we're going to deploy a Nexus 3 repository. As you can see, we now have a browse catalog, deploy image, and import YAML and JSON. From here, we're going to actually search for the image we are going to deploy, and that is going to be the Nexus 3 image. There are configuration options when deploying this image. The pods will now begin to display. From here, we can increase the number of pods that are assigned to this image. Once the pods are increased, we can drill down to actually see the pod information and see that they are actually running. The next step is to create a route. This will create the pathway that users will access the Nexus 3 repository. Again, sections that are configurable. You can then click on the link that is available, and now the Nexus 3 repository is available and can be accessed via login. The Nexus 3 repository is now fully functioning, and all links can be accessed. Let's create another project for a Cake PHP and MySQL deployment. This deployment will come from our Browse catalog. Here we can search for the Cake PHP, and we'll have a Cake PHP and MySQL offering. We can select, and as you can see, many configurable options with this deployment, all the way down to Get repository URLs and even the SQL database password that can be set. Now the build will start. As you can see, the MySQL already has a pod established. The next part is for it to create its Cake PHP connection. As you can see, pod is now created. As the other demonstration, we can increase the number of pods that are assigned to both the SQL and the Cake PHP. Link is established after creating the route, and now we see our Cake PHP connection information. Now we're starting to see actual metric data that's assigned. We can drill down into the individual pods and begin to look at some of the different tabs, like the terminal access, logs, and the metrics. This metric data becomes important when it comes to sizing of your deployments. Now we can drill down into the pods on the MySQL side, and again, drilling down and viewing terminal access, logs, and the metrics assigned to each one of the pods. This concludes our demonstration. From all of us at Li9, we appreciate your time and look forward to partnering with you on your digital transformation journey.